Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jason and today I will show you how to make a very important event that sets up the whole game, which is the starter event. In Pokemon, a starter event can be as long as getting your first Pokemon or getting your first Pokeballs and your Pokédex. There isn't a particular way to do it, but I will show you a very common way. So this is the game I'm working on. This is a road blocking NPC who moves when you defeat the second gym. He's just a normal NPC. This is the professor who I gave a move route to turn down so it doesn't spoil another move route. And this is the event that places everything together. Move route so that the professor can come close and talk to the player, and a move route for the player to turn towards the professor. The lines, and then this is the yes and no choice for the player, which turns on the spell switch for the event beside. Cell switch E for this event. It then teleports the player, and a PB cell switch for the professor. And for the no, only some line changes. We start off playing in the PC. This is the NPC sister. You can see that the professor doesn't move so that he doesn't spoil the move route when he comes to talk to the player. And then an event so that the player cannot go inside the lab. We get the running shoes from her. And this door stopping event can be done by a conditional branch. I added the switch in the auto run event so that it cannot be missed. So pretty much you have to make an event for the first route that transports you to the lab that doesn't let you leave unless you pick your starter Pokemon. Hope you got to learn something new.